welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video because you didn't have to, but while you're here, please like, share, and subscribe. So today we're gonna be revanishing this chair and the desk over there. Okay, we're gonna stain it with this wood stain, ebony, and it's black. I got the desk and chair from the Goodwill only for $10. So we're gonna make this baby look good and put it in LJ room. Okay guys, here I'm just sanding the desk down. The chair has already been sanded. So once I finish sanding this down, I'm going to paint it. I'm going to start painting the chair first because it's already been sanded, wiped down, and dried. So I'm going to put my first layer of paint on. I'm going to use 2 coats on the chair and the desk. them dry, and then I'm gonna put my second coat on. When I get done with that, I'm gonna let that dry, and make sure you use a sealer when you're done. And so here is the desk finish. I brought it up to LJ room. I let it sit for a couple days because I sprayed some sealer, clear sealer over it. This lighting is not good at all. LJ, move. So it's black and simple, and he has somewhere to sit to do his homework, and I think it came out really good. It's nice.
And I like it.
He has fully functioning desk.